So it's a rainy day and my college road is just like that. You can see easily that it's not a very good road. So I have nothing to do anything for this, and my college road is just like that, and it's just school, and it's very hard to cross this road because my besides road is so slippery and so on. ভালো আছো মামা? How are you, mama? How are you? Fine. This is my man. Okay, this is so hard to cross this road, and this is the last. Okay, so it's a very interesting. Where are you? Just but very difficult to cross this. But this is an airport place, and Bangladesh phenomenon is not very well. Okay, I cross, and my how are your experience? The cross is a college.
Another two something day, another day. It's very different. It's a very I enjoy it.
But this road is very clear,
Like a German road.
but it's very interesting.
Yeah, I see.
And I enjoyed this very
It's
much.
not my first time. It's also second time.
Yeah, it's my second time in July. Okay, one year ago I admitted in this college, and then I faced and the same experience. I acquired my same experience, and it's Dhaka road on the airport, but it is not expected. But this is true. This is the true. So I only blog for you. Just you watch what the hardly road I crossed, and I learn knowledge. I go to the college, and this is very on raining. I am not at home in the raining. I am a regular student of my college. So how much banana? It's raining cats and dogs. You can see, and it's very. My shoe is just drenched. What will I do?
Now we reach the phone.
Okay. My vlog is finished.